In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied for YouTube monetization step by step. This tutorial is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and I'll also be sharing some secrets and things I've learned on YouTube so far about YouTube growth. Alright, so by the way, my name is Ian Francis. If this is the first time I've come across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. And quick one, people always ask me, Jay, are you a video editor? Can you teach me how to edit videos? Here are my answers. Yes, Jay is a video editor, and if you want Jay to handle your video, a DM will solve that. If you also want Jay to teach you how to edit videos like a pro using just your smartphone, a simple DM will also solve that. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so now welcome to my phone. We are going to be heading to my YouTube studio. Alright, so this is my YouTube studio. So I have 4,030 subscribers, and some of you might think that I'm monetized. No, I'm not monetized yet, but I'm about to be monetized. So first of all, I want to appreciate all my subscribers. A big shout out to you guys. I love you all. Thanks for all the support and everything, because without you guys I won't be here. So now I'm going to go over to content. Now on the content side, you can see that this particular video is a video that did well in my channel. Like this video, I believe that some of you that are watching this video found out about my channel because of this particular video or you found my channel because of this one that you are watching now, because I believe that this video that I'm recording now is going to do well. So this video has gotten over 75,000 views on YouTube and over 3.something k likes and 500 and something comments. So now let's go to analytics. So this is the analytics of this particular video, how to animate characters. You can see that this video has gotten me over 70 something thousand views and 3.6k watch hours. So all my watch hours is coming from this particular video. And here is one thing that you need to know about YouTube. I think for me, I think getting subscribers is easier than getting your watch hours. Now here is the trick. The longer your videos, the better for you. The longer your videos, the better for you. Like this particular video, I think this video is 14 minutes long. So, and I've gotten this watch hour. So imagine that you uploaded a 4 minutes video. How long would you think is going to take you to get your required watch hour? So the longer the video, the better for you. And people often ask me, I've gotten a couple of questions from people, and they're asking me, Jay, how were you able to gain visibility on YouTube? Because before I uploaded this video, the only thing I had was 64. I only had 64 subscribers. Only 64 subscribers. This video, I call this video, this how to animate characters, I call it a breakthrough video. This video is my breakthrough video. So when I uploaded it, the video exploded. It got me 3,000 plus subscribers, got me over 3,000 plus watch hours, and people are still watching this video till now. Now people ask me, how was I able to get these views? It's very simple. Good content. So people think that maybe I promoted the video. I didn't promote anything. I didn't do anything. YouTube promoted the video. Why? Because they see that people are gaining value from this particular video. Like people are actually watching this video from beginning to the end. Some watch it maybe like at least half of it. So it means that this video has value and people are liking it. That's why. So please, if you're watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up so that other people can actually see this particular video that I'm recording now. So now, in summary, all I have to say is the longer your video, the better for you, the faster you get to your monetization, because getting 1,000 subscribers is easier, but 1,000 watch hours, 4,000 watch hours, that will take you time. So now let's head on to the most important part, which I know is what you are waiting for, the end side. So you can see that I have reached the 4,000 watch hours. So I have to click here to apply for YouTube monetization, and I'm going to be applying now. So I'm going to click on apply. So you can see review terms, that you just read through and you click on accept. You don't even have an option, you have to accept. So we have completed the first step. So the next step is to sign up for AdSense. So you click on sign up. You can see, do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube? So I have an existing AdSense account, so I'm going to go with it. If you don't have an existing one, you can just click on no, I don't have an existing one, create a new one. So I'll just click on next. So I'll choose the Google account that is associated with the AdSense account. Alright, so here I'm going to click on, you can see that continue with this account. You're already linked an existing Google product with your YouTube channel for easy setup. Okay, so I'll just click on continue. So you can see AdSense for YouTube, terms and conditions, kiniko. Just click on the box, then set up account. And here you can see AdSense for YouTube. You can see customer information, just click on submit. So here it says we are reviewing your info. Review usually takes less than a day, but in some cases can take a bit longer. You can check your account status in the YouTube studio. So now they are going to review our AdSense account. Then after that, we go to YouTube review. So you can see AdSense setup, you can see in progress. And the last step is going to get reviewed. So let's wait. They say it usually takes your account is being created or associated. The approval and association process usually takes several days, but in some cases it can take 2 to 3 weeks. So let's wait for the approval. Yo, like guys, finally we are monetized. I actually got this this email 2 days ago, but I haven't really been able to shoot this particular video because I was setting up my monetization, placing ads and all those stuff. So after that, we are back to the shooting part. So I actually got monetized. I applied, let's say like yesterday, I applied for YouTube monetization, and today I was approved. So it took them approximately like 24 hours to approve my monetization. So if you are creating original content, you're not violating any content policy, you are following the guidelines, you will definitely be monetized. And for those that are spreading rumors on YouTube that YouTube are demonetizing automated channels, you can see that YouTube just accepted me to their partnership program. It says, discover with Jay, congrats, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. Welcome to YouTube partner program. You can see the message. This message is from YouTube. So guys, we are monetized. If you're watching this video to this point, please just go to the comment section and type congratulations for me. Yeah, type congratulations for me. If you are a content creator, you are trying to grow, like you are growing your channel organically, you are not paying anybody, you're not buying subscribers, you're not buying watch hours, you know how difficult it is to grow a YouTube channel. So if you're watching to this point, please just go to the comment section and type congratulations for me. And you that is an upcoming content creator, you that is trying to grow on YouTube, you that just started out on YouTube, don't give up, don't lose courage. You definitely get here. Just be patient, continue doing what you love doing, continue uploading content. One day YouTube is definitely going to smile at you. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. My name is Jeff Francis. If this is the first time I've come across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. All right, peace out.